Hi, welcome to the Goldleaf.Kitchen. Today I will show you how to make an Indian and Pakistani dessert enjoyed all around the world, famously known as Rasmalai. These pillowy soft clouds of delight are immersed in a creamy milky syrup flavoured with cardamom, pistachios and saffron. This luxurious dessert is fit for anyone's taste buds. You can make around 14 to 15 rasmalais with this recipe, and it can easily serve 7 people. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for more content. If you've already subscribed to my channel, welcome back. Please leave your comments below and do let me know how you found this recipe. The ingredients you'll require to make rasmalai are whole milk, egg, baking powder, cardamom pods, saffron, milk powder and sugar. Now try to buy the best quality milk powder you can get, as it'll produce the best results. The brand I'm using is Natco milk powder, and all these ingredients cost me under £21. So the quantity of ingredients you'll require to make rasmalai are 1 litre of fresh whole milk, 131 grams of milk powder, 118 grams of sugar, 26 grams of chopped pistachios, 5 cardamom pods, 1 egg, half a teaspoon of baking powder and a few strands of saffron. Now for the exciting part, let's start cooking. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification for future content. Thank you so much. Step 1. In a wide bottom non-stick pan, pour in the whole milk. The heat should be on medium to high flame. Step 2. Add in the cardamom pods, saffron, sugar and stir to dissolve. As I mentioned, the flame should be on medium to high to bring the milk to a boil at least 2 to 3 times. Keep on stirring the milk to ensure it doesn't burn at the bottom or on the sides of the pan. Step 3. Add in the chopped pistachio nuts and stir. This is optional. You can also add the chopped pistachios at the end to garnish if you wish. Step 4. Place the lid over the milk and simmer on low heat. Step 5. Whilst the milk is simmering, in a mixing bowl, add in the milk powder and baking powder and stir this to ensure it's thoroughly distributed. Step 6. Add in the beaten egg and stir. Step 7. Add in 5 tablespoons of whole milk to the mixture. This is to help the mixture to form into a dough. Step 8. Knead the dough for approximately 2 minutes until the dough is not too soft nor too hard. Step 9. Leave the dough to rest for at least 10 minutes. Step 10. Form the dough into small round balls. This mixture will make around 15 rasmalai balls. An important step is to dip your finger lightly into some oil. The oil I used was olive oil before forming the round balls to ensure no cracks appear on the surface. This is a really important step. So here are the 15 rasmalai balls that are ready to plunge into the simmering milk. Step 11. Keep stirring the milk occasionally to ensure the milk does not stick to the bottom of the pan. Step 12. Add the rasmalai dough balls to the milk. Allow the milk to come to a boil, then simmer on low heat for approximately 10 minutes. Step 13. Gently tip the side of the pan to ensure the rasmalai balls are covered with milk. Don't be tempted to stir it with a spoon in case they break. Step 14. Simmer on the lowest heat and place the lid over the rasmalai. Step 15. After 10 minutes, remove the lid. As you can see, the rasmalais have quadrupled in size. They look nice and fluffy. So flip them over and simmer for a further 5 minutes. Now that's all you have to do. Then turn off the heat, allow the rasmalais to cool down, and then refrigerate them. For best results, you can serve them after 24 hours. However, if you can't wait that long, you can serve them after a few hours. And voila! Serve the rasmalai chilled and enjoy. As you can see, the rasmalais hold their shape. They are soft, juicy, extremely delicious, and are just divine. You'll have to try this recipe. It's simply amazing. That's all from me now. Until next time with more tasty recipes for you all. Please stay happy and healthy, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification for more content. Thank you so much. Goodbye.